If you could go back 5 years, 10 years, maybe even 20 years and spend one day with your younger self, one day with your 20-year-old version, what would that be worth to you to say, avoid this, make sure you put the gas down when you hit this, don't do this at all, and change that whole belief system you had because it's wrong? What would that be worth to you? And especially if you're in business or you have an expertise, whether that's a carpenter, an accountant, fly fishing, or you cut hair, what would that be worth to go back? Well, that's the self-education industry. People are saying, should I go back to college or stick with this job? Or let me go find somebody who's already done what I want to do for 5 or 10 years more than me and pay them to, as Tony says, condense decades into days. And that's the knowledge industry. That's why Tony and I have come together to create the process, the blueprint to show you how to impact other people's lives. All those people that need that information where college may not be working, or maybe they went to college years ago and they're stuck in something that's not working. They want to pay you to impact their lives. And we wanted to create the blueprint. And we're so excited that we're going live once again. We did it last year, pretty much broke the internet. And you can click the link on this page and see how you can reserve a spot for this live training.
If there's something that you would like to do that would be more meaningful, this is an opportunity to do it. And we want to add massive value to you. So all you have to do is click down below and join us on that day, lock it in your calendar, and we'll deliver that value for you. You can judge for yourself.